Been using Replit for a while now, and this video is my honest, unbiased review. I'll go over everything from key features to potential drawbacks, so by the end you'll have a clear idea of what Replit is really like. Replit is an online platform that lets you write and run code directly from your browser. No installations, no setup hassles. It's a cloud-based coding environment built to make programming simple and collaborative for everyone, whether you're just starting out or already experienced. One of Replit's biggest strengths is its flexibility. It supports over 50 programming languages, so whether you're into Python, JavaScript, or something more specialized, you'll find it here. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, and running code is instant. Just type, click, and see results immediately. Collaboration is another highlight. You can invite friends or classmates to work with you in real time, editing together just like on Google Docs. There's even a built-in chat for quick communication, AI-powered code suggestions, instant web app deployment, and simple project sharing within the Replit community. From my own experience, I've used Replit for several side projects and group assignments. The learning curve was almost non-existent. I could start coding within minutes. Working with teammates was smooth too. Debugging and brainstorming together felt effortless. I especially liked how I could test ideas quickly without worrying about breaking my computer or setup. That said, it's not flawless. On bigger projects, performance can slow down a little, especially with complex code or large files. Some premium features like private workspaces and extra storage are behind a paywall, which might be a downside if you're looking for everything free. And while it's great for learning and prototyping, it may not be the best fit for advanced or production level work compared to more powerful local tools. Overall, Replit is excellent for learning, experimenting, and collaborating in the cloud. It's not perfect for professional scale development, but for most people, especially students, beginners, and hobbyists, it's absolutely worth checking out.